Welcome to Defense Universe.
A hijacked merchant vessel on its way to become piracy mothership and launch many more attacks on important trade route had been under the watchful eyes of an indigenous spotter drone, which helped to rescue 17 sailors after 40-hour-long high-octane drama against 35 armed Somali pirates. As destroyer INS Kolkata intercepted merchant vessel turned pirate vessel Rune in the morning of March 15th and confirmed the presence of armed pirates through a ship-launched drone, the spotter. But in a reckless hostile act, the pirates shot down the drone and fired at the Indian naval warship. But did you know that these drones are now an integral part of Indian warships, and Navy deploys them to get a real-time picture in such situations? Spotter drones are made by a Pune-based Indian firm, Sagar Defense Engineering. According to managing director of this firm, all drones land and take off from a stationary point, such as an island or a fixed position. These drones can land and take off while the ship is moving and carrying out action at high speed. This technology is available only with 2 companies globally, other than us. We are glad to see them fired upon, as it saves lives. 60 of these drones have been procured till date. Drones control can be transferred from one ship to another or Marcos on their handheld system. Spotter is used to detect threats and share critical info in real time to immobilize the threats. Spotter drones are the first ship-based tactical spotting multi-copter drone that has a flight time of 120 minutes on a single flight in a rough sea environment with an endurance of up to 20 kilometers, with a payload carrying capacity of 3 kilograms, with the platform attaining speeds up to 45 miles per hour. These are equipped with an electro-optic camera and thermal imager camera to scan any region of interest for target detection and intervention as per the user. Now, if you want to witness Indian elite Marcos operation, then check out this.